we're going to break this down into 4 simple steps. Get the tool, create the config, download, and install. Basically, this tool gives you total control, which is perfect for keeping things consistent across a team. Okay, let's jump right into step 1, getting the tool itself. First thing you need to do is grab the file from the Microsoft Download Center. Once you have it, just run the file. You'll need to pick a folder to put the extracted files in. We just made a folder called ODT on the desktop. I'd suggest doing something simple like that. Okay, the tool's ready. Now for step 2, which is creating our configuration file. Head over to config.office.com. Microsoft actually has a web tool that makes this part super easy. In here, you'll pick all your settings, like which apps you want, the language, and so on. When you're all set, export the file, and make sure you save it in that ODT folder. Configuration's done. Step 3 is all about downloading the actual Office files using that config. Now, for this next part, you have to open Command Prompt as an administrator. This is really important. So, first we need to point Command Prompt to our ODT folder using the cd command. It's gonna look something like this. Just remember, your own folder path might be a little different. Next, we're gonna run the tool in download mode. This tells it to grab just the right files. Here's the exact command. It tells setup to use your new config file to start the download. You'll see a new Office folder pop up. Now, just be patient, this download can definitely take a while. Once that download finishes up, we're on to the final step, installing Office. All right, head back to your Command Prompt window. You should still be in that ODT folder. We're gonna run the tool again, but this time in configure mode to actually do the install. This command is what kicks off the installation, using all those custom settings you picked out earlier. And if everything's correct, a new window will appear showing that Office is installing. It's all automatic. And that's it. Your custom version of Microsoft Office is now installed and ready for you to use.